gonna be a good time, guys. It's gonna be a really good time. Check this out. Also on the sneaky tune. Gonna get the hit and go. Good night out tonight, guys, and I'm pretty excited for this. It's gonna be the ending of the year meet, so it should be a pretty big one. We got the GoPro locked and loaded, ready to go get a couple runs in. Hopefully we see how that goes. Once we head out to the E station though, we'll definitely head out to the meet after that and, you know, see what we got going on tonight, guys. But yeah, shout out to the homeboy Colby with his Mark 7 with the GTI stripes right there. Ooh, love it. Hell yeah. Also shout out to Mark 6 Anchor for tagging along with us. Check it out. All white GTIs tonight, guys. Man, those blue stripes really look damn cool in person. Sick. Those taillights, I think those are Eurotails, but they look pretty sick. Just wanted to point that out. Sick ass, dude. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. A little bit above 3/4 tank. Should be enough for tonight. Golf R, Mark 7, Mark 6, and Mark 7. Woo! Cops are right there. Cool, guys, so we're out here. We just got here, but the cops are already here, so we gotta head out to the next location. So we got the address for the new spot. I'm gonna head out there and then continue on with this video. Maybe we'll catch some runs on the way there. No, but the cops are all over here, so everyone's just leaving now. Everyone's just trying to get off. Everyone's just leaving at the same time, so like it's just so backed up right now with like the traffic and the cars and everything. And look at that Pontiac, it's on slicks, or street slicks. Bro, this Trans Am right here is hella mounted. You can just hear it. This dude is like passing me by right here. It's insane. I wonder how quick that thing is. Sexy as 5.0. Oh, it's just the gray one.
It's a VWR.
I was gonna, yeah.
But I modified it. So most cars, when you run big booties, the oil gets trapped in there.
Okay.
And then it fucking starts, you know, coming out through here and you burn it. So I told them to drain it back into the pan. So mine drained it back to the pan.